Yo, you're right, it's Tommy Allen here, and this video is just a little bit of fun. So I've got this like Orc Horn, or I call it an Orc Horn, and it sounds well good. And we're gonna run it through the different impulse responses I calculated when we were comparing the number of rays to the receiver size. Okay, actually no, we're not. We're neglecting that equation. Just changing the number of rays and seeing its effects. So in the previous video, we saw it get lower or get realistic to unrealistic. And I just want to see what they sound like with this horn. So this is what it sounds like dry. So it sounds pretty good. Let's try with the realistic reverb. That sounds sick. All right, so let's go down to the more electronic sounding ones, and this should sound pretty good. That sounds so cool! That doesn't. That sounds so good. So that's just me playing about with this Orc Horn. Let me go down to the realistic thing, because it just sounds so goddamn cool. That sounds sick. Okay. So that's what an Orc Horn sounds like in a massive dumbbell and me just playing about. I really enjoyed that one. My neighbors are going to be well annoyed, but it doesn't matter. Ooh, let's see what a walnut sounds like. Oh. Mate, I think I'm losing it. Like, that's so cool. Okay, so yeah, that's just me just playing about. I had a walnut and a walnut cracker. I'm not a sound effects guy, if anyone's thinking that. I just like walnuts, especially when they're in the shell. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I thoroughly enjoyed that one. And I'll see you in the next weird acoustics of things. So, see you later. Thanks. Goodbye.